Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow exactly the same as today. Not richer, not healthier, not smarter, but somewhere in your routine, one tiny action, a small 1% improvement, starts quietly repeating itself. It doesn't feel powerful. Nobody notices it. Even you forget it happened. Until one day, your entire life looks different. Not because of a big decision, but because of a small habit so simple, you almost ignored it. This is the hidden power of atomic habits. Every habit you repeat is shaping who you become. James Clear explains that habits are the compound interest of self improvement. Just like money grows by small percentages over time, your habits grow by small repetitions. One push up won't change your body, one page won't make you wise, but repeat them consistently, and transformation becomes inevitable. That is the core message of atomic habits. Small choices, massive impact. Success rarely arrives suddenly. It's built quietly during the repetitions nobody sees. This is what James Clear calls the plateau of latent potential, the phase where you are doing the right things but seeing no results. Progress feels slow, motivation fades. You start to wonder if it's even worth it, but beneath the surface, change is happening. Just like ice doesn't melt until it hits the right temperature, your habits don't show results until they cross a critical threshold. And then, everything shifts. One moment finally reveals the impact of months of silent effort. To understand habits deeply, you must understand the habit loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. A cue triggers your mind. A craving creates desire. A response turns into action. A reward teaches your brain to repeat it. And to master your habits, James Clear offers four powerful laws. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. To break bad habits, invert them, make them invisible, make them unattractive, make them difficult, make them unsatisfying. Let's begin with the first law. Your environment shapes your habits more than your motivation ever will. You overeat because snacks are visible. You scroll because your phone is within reach. You forget goals because they're out of sight. Take back control by redesigning your environment. Start with a habit scorecard. Write down everything you do in a day. Mark each habit as good. Suddenly, patterns become clear. Then use implementation intentions. I will do this habit at this time in this place. Clarity builds consistency. Habit stacking makes it even easier. After I make coffee, I will read one page. Your brain loves linking new habits to old ones. And the most powerful strategy of all, environment design, place good cues in front of you, hide bad cues far away. Your surroundings silently guide your actions. Now, the second law, make it attractive. A habit becomes easier when your brain feels excited about it. This is where temptation bundling shines. Pair something you want to do with something you need to do. Listen to your favorite show only when exercising. Join communities where the behavior you want is normal. If the people around you read, you'll read. If they work out, you'll work out. Identity spreads through groups. Most importantly, shift your identity. Instead of I need to exercise, and say I am becoming someone who takes care of my body. Identity makes habits stick. The third law, make it easy. The easier a habit is to start, the more likely it is to continue. That is why the 2-minute rule is brilliant. Reduce every habit to something that takes 2 minutes. Read one page, write one sentence, stretch for 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. Reduce friction wherever possible. Lay out your clothes the night before. Keep your guitar out of its case. Place healthy snacks where you can see them. You can even automate habits with one-time actions. Auto bill payments, website blockers, meal prep. Make good habits effortless. The fourth law, make it satisfying. We repeat behavior that feels rewarding, and we avoid behavior that feels disappointing. Create instant rewards. Track your habits visually. A growing streak becomes its own motivation. Use habit contracts. Tell a friend your commitment. If you fail, there's a consequence. Accountability works. And follow the golden rule. Never miss twice. Missing once is normal. Missing twice is a pattern. Protect your momentum. Breaking bad habits is just the reverse of these laws. Make them invisible by removing triggers. Make them unattractive by changing your internal story. This habit makes me tired, unfocused, and unhappy. Make them difficult by adding steps. Log out, delete apps, move things away. Delete apps, friction breaks patterns. Make them unsatisfying by adding accountability. Let someone track your progress. The fear of disappointment becomes a powerful motivator. Once you understand the laws, you can move into advanced habit building. Identity based habits are the most powerful. Your habits don't change until your identity changes. Don't aim to read 50 books. Aim to become a reader. Don't aim to run a marathon. Aim to become a runner. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Play to your strengths. Your natural abilities decide which habits stick more easily. Choose habits aligned with what feels natural and maintain the Goldilocks zone. Not too easy, not too hard, just a little challenging. This keeps you in flow and prevents boredom and burnout. In the end, your goals do not shape your life, your systems do. Motivation rises and falls, energy comes and goes, but systems built on small habits stay with you forever. Start tiny, start simple, start today. Drink one glass of water, walk for 2 minutes, read one page, write one sentence, send one positive message. These small actions shape your identity. Identity builds consistency, and consistency creates a life far beyond what motivation alone can achieve. This is the real magic of atomic habits. Not a book you finish, but a system you live.